Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of one of the most powerful and ancient mantras in the world, the Gayatri Mantra. The Gayatri Mantra is not just a chant, it's a spiritual tool that can unlock hidden potential, bring mental peace, and align your energy with the universe. But did you know there are some lesser known facts and mysteries about this mantra? Stay with us till the end, as we'll share details that no one has explained before. What is the Gayatri Mantra? The Gayatri Mantra, also known as the mother of all mantras, is a universal prayer addressed to the divine light of the sun. It appears in the Rig Veda, one of the oldest scriptures in the world, and is written in Sanskrit. The mantra goes like this: Om Bhurbhuvasva, Tatsaviturvarenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. It means, we meditate on the divine light of the sun, which inspires and guides our intellect. History and origin. The Gayatri Mantra's origins trace back over 5,000 years to the Rig Veda. It is associated with sage Vishwamitra, who is said to have received this mantra as a divine revelation. Interestingly, the mantra is dedicated to the sun god, but it symbolizes the supreme divine energy that powers the entire universe. This makes it universal and not bound by religion or belief systems. Structure and meaning. The mantra has a unique structure. Om Bhurbhuvasva refers to the three realms, earth, Bhur, atmosphere, Bhuva, and heaven, Swa. Tat Savitur Varenyam. We meditate on the divine light of the Creator, Savitur. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. That light is pure, divine, and illuminates all. Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. May it inspire and guide our intellect. Each word in the mantra is believed to carry a vibration that aligns with the universe, enhancing spiritual growth and inner clarity. Lesser known facts about the Gayatri Mantra. Here are some hidden facts about the Gayatri Mantra that many people don't know. Scientifically proven vibrations. Reciting the Gayatri Mantra creates vibrations that are scientifically proven to calm the mind and improve concentration. No barriers. Originally, the mantra was exclusive to male Brahmins, but now it's accessible to everyone, irrespective of gender or caste. Powerful times for chanting. The best times to chant are Brahma Muhurta, early morning, or during sunset, as these times enhance its effects. Chanted by global leaders. Spiritual leaders like Swami Vivekananda and Sri Aurobindo emphasized the importance of the Gayatri Mantra. Cosmic connection. The mantra is said to connect the chanter to cosmic energy, balancing their chakras and enhancing spiritual awareness. Mysteries and unique insights. There are several mysteries associated with the Gayatri Mantra. Why 24 syllables? The mantra has exactly 24 syllables, corresponding to the 24 energies in the human body that align with the 24 spinal vertebrae. Healing powers. It is believed to heal the body and mind by activating the Ajna chakra, third eye, and enhancing intuition. Chanting frequency. Chanting the mantra 108 times is said to create vibrations that resonate with the Earth's frequency, also known as the Schumann resonance. Beyond religion. Despite being rooted in Hinduism, the mantra transcends religious boundaries and is used by people worldwide for meditation and peace. How to chant the Gayatri Mantra effectively? To maximize the benefits of chanting the Gayatri Mantra, sit in a quiet place, find a peaceful spot with minimal distractions, correct pronunciation. Ensure that each syllable is pronounced clearly to create the correct vibrations. Use a mala, rosary. Chant the mantra 108 times using a mala for focus. Visualize light. As you chant, imagine a divine light entering your body and filling you with energy. Consistency. Daily practice amplifies its spiritual benefits. Benefits of chanting the Gayatri Mantra. The benefits of the Gayatri Mantra are both spiritual and practical. Mental peace. It calms the mind and reduces stress. Enhanced focus. Chanting improves memory and concentration. Spiritual growth aligns your inner energy with the universe. Positive aura. Regular chanting creates a positive energy field around you. Improved health. It's said to regulate blood pressure and boost immunity by calming the nervous system. The Gayatri Mantra is more than just a chant. It's a gateway to spiritual awakening, mental clarity, and universal harmony. What do you think about the incredible power of this ancient mantra? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing spiritual insights. Thank you for watching.